Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to trouble login into your Discover Plus account. Now, if you're facing constant issue with logging into your Discover Plus account, then you can try following these steps. First of all, on the sign in screen, you could go ahead and choose the forgot password option, and then you can enter in your Discover Plus email address and choose email me. Then you can check your inbox for a reset your password email to send the Discover Plus. Then you could go ahead and open the email and choose reset your password. Then you could go ahead and enter and confirm your new strong password. Now you could go ahead and sign in into your Discover Plus account with your newly created password, and that should be able to fix the issue. However, if that does not seem to be working out, then you'll have to contact the support team, state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So that's basically how you can fix your trouble login into your Discover Plus account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.